In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use symbols in draw.io. If you're new to draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, it's a free browser-based tool for creating flowcharts, diagrams, and visuals. To get started, open your web browser and go to the draw.io website. You can work on a new blank diagram or open an existing file. Either is fine for what we're doing today. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you can see the canvas in the center with a sidebar on the left. That left sidebar is the shape library where you'll access everything you need for symbols and icons. Now focus your attention on the left side of the screen. Near the top of that sidebar, you'll find a search bar. Click into it and type the word symbols. As you type, draw.io will filter and surface libraries and shape sets related to symbols. This search is really handy because it pulls together different categories without you having to scroll through long lists. If your window is very narrow and you don't immediately see the search bar, try widening the browser or expanding the Shapes panel so the search field becomes visible. Once you've searched for symbols, you'll see the available symbol sets and related libraries appear in the sidebar. These collections can include general symbols, industry-specific icons, or standardized sets that are commonly used in flowcharts, network diagrams, and technical documentation. Hovering over items can help you preview what's inside, and selecting a library will expand it so you can see individual shapes at a glance. This is the perfect moment to scan for the exact visual you need, whether that's a simple warning triangle, a connector icon, or a standardized process symbol. From here, you now have quick access to the symbols you were looking for, ready for when you want to use them in your diagram. If you expect to use a particular symbol set often, consider keeping that library expanded so it's just a click away the next time you work. And if your diagram focuses on a specific domain, try refining your search term with a keyword like network, flowchart, or UI to narrow down the results and reduce clutter. That's all there is to it. You went to draw.io, searched for symbols in the left sidebar, and now you can see the available options whenever you need them. Keep this quick process in mind, and you'll save time and keep your diagrams consistent and clear.